हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ओसीएस बाय रंजन यूट्यूब चैनल। आज आम 2018 एसएसबी जूलॉजी क्वेश्चन को डिस्कसन करवा। ठीक अच्छे तो एसएसबी लेक्चरर टेस्ट सीरीज ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो गलानी आप आपण मैंने जदि टेस्ट सीरीज ना को चाहूँगी ताले डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक अच्छी आम आप को इंस्टॉल करंतु आउ टेस्ट सीरीज नहीं प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करंतु। ठीक अच्छे क्वेश्चन देखिबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, the members of which of the following phylum are parasite in red blood cells of vertebrate? The member of which of the following phylum को phylum पाखरे parasite present थाए in red blood cells of vertebrate? Option A Ciliophora, option B Apicomplexa, option C Dinoflagellate, option D Axostylate. आर राइट आंसर कोटा हबो सिलियोफोरा, एपिकम्प्लेक्सा, डाइनोफ्लैजेलेट, एक्सोस्टाइलाटा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 नो राइट आंसर मन रखिए एपिकम्प्लेक्सा। ठीक अच्छे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द infectious stage of Plasmodium sp which infects human? Option A merozoites, option B trophozoite, option C sporozoite, option D gametocytes. राइट आंसर हम स्पोरोजोइट। ठीक अच्छे, ये स्पोरोजोइट स्ट्रेसटा ह्यूमन को इफेक्ट करता है, इन्फेक्ट करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट इज द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ए लिवर फ्लूक? लिवर फ्लूक रो करेक्ट लाइफ सीक्वेंसटा कोटा? ऑप्शन ए एग, रेडिया, सरकारिया, मेटा सरकारिया, स्पोरोसिस्ट, मिरासिडियम अडल्ट। ऑप्शन बी एग, मिरासिडियम, रेडिया, स्पोरोसिस्ट, सरकारिया, मेटा सरकारिया अडल्ट। ऑप्शन सी एग, मिरासिडियम, स्पोरोसिस्ट, रेडिया, सरकारिया, मेटा सरकारिया अडल्ट। ऑप्शन डी एग, रेडिया, मिरासिडियम, स्पोरोसिस्ट, सरकारिया, मेटा सरकारिया अडल्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 रो राइट सीक्वेंस हो कोटा ना एग, मिरासिडियम और स्पोरोसिस्ट। ठीक अच्छे, यहाँ हूँ करेक्ट सीक्वेंस। स्पोरोसिस्ट पर हूँ रेडिया, तापर सरकारिया, मेटा सरकारिया ना अडल्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, which of the following classes of platyhelminths is exclusively endoparasite? को parasite को क्लासटा platyhelminth रो एंडोपारासाइट अटे? ऑप्शन ए ट्रेमाटोडा, ऑप्शन बी सिस्टोडा, ऑप्शन सी टर्बेलारिया, ऑप्शन डी मोनोजेनिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 रो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज सिस्टोडा। सिस्टोडा होची कोन ना एंडोपारासाइट परिका रही थाए प्लाटीहेल्मिन्थ्स रे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, the disease bilharzia was which is common in China and Middle East is caused by? Option A blood fluke, schistosoma, option B Wuchereria, option C Taenia saginata, option D planaria। 5 रो राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज ब्लड फ्लूक, schistosoma। Next question number 6, the filaria parasite is transmitter by option A female Aedes, option B female Culex, option C male Anopheles, option D male Aedes। 6 रो आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर बी, that is female Culex। Question number 7, book lungs are respiratory organ of crustaceans, beetles, arachnids, peripatus। 7 आंसर of option C arachnids। नेक्स्ट 8, फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट। ठीक अच्छे, आ भर ऑड वन कोटा हम 8 रो आंसर कही दउची ऑप्शन डी हम राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, आइडेंटिफाई द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। आ भर इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कोटा? ऑप्शन ए फ्लेम सेल्स आर एक्सक्रीटोरी ऑर्गन ऑफ प्लानेरिया, Option B, flame cells are so named because of the flagella of the cell resemble flame. Option C, flame cells are aggregated to form a kidney shaped organ. Option D, molluscas excrete through organ of vojanus. 9 answer of option number C. ठीक अछि जदि कोनोसी क्वेश्चन इनकरेक्ट लागुची ताहले ठीक आंसर टी कमेंट सेक्शन ने कमेंट करी कहंतु ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 which of the following organisms neither have notochord nor vertebral column in the adult stage. Option A, cephalochordates. Option B, herdmania. Option C, petromyzon. Option D, relostoma. 10 answer of option number D, relostoma. Question number 11. Which of the following is a vertebrate organism? अभित्रु vertebrate organism कोटा cuttlefish, devilfish, globefish, crayfish. मन रखिबे ऑप्शन सी globefish होची गोटे vertebrate organism. 12. Hepatic portal system is present in all. Option A, amniotes only, anamnodes. Option C, amniotes and anamnodes. Option D, amniotes, anamniotes and the some tunicates. 12 answer of option number C. Question 13. Auricularia is the larva of dash. Holothuroidea, asteroidea, ophiuridia, echinoidea. 13 answer of option number A is the right answer. मन रखिबे 14. Bipinnaria larva is found in the development of star lily, sea cucumber, sea star, sea fish. 14 answer of option D, starfish. Question number 15. Identify the correct statement. अभित्रु correct statement कोइटा. Option A, whales can shut down half of their brain while the other half remain active. Option B, whales have blubber that helps in perception of vibration during echolocation and it keeps them warm. Option C, whales have the same rate of gas exchange in lungs like human only. They have much larger lungs. Option D, whales can totally fall asleep before the water for 1 hour. 15 answer of option number A. 16. The pneumatic bones are characteristics of option A, amphibia, reptiles, apes, aquatic mammals. 16 answer of option C, apes. 17. Halox is a type of feather in birds, a flightless bird, first digit of hind limb of birds, a carnivorous bird. Answer is first digits of hind limb of birds. Identify the incorrect statement. Abhitru incorrect statement kota. Option D have right answer. All birds have only one ovary to reduce their weight. ठीक है एटा होची incorrect statement बाकी सब correct होते. Next question number 19. Read the statements and choose the correct series of statement. अभित्रु correct series कोटा सेटा देखिबा. आंसर कई गौची ऑप्शन सी होबो राइट आंसर. फर्स्ट ला 1 नेक्स्ट 3 सॉरी ऑप्शन नंबर सी होबो राइट आंसर. 1 3 and 4 5 is the correct order. Next 20. Which group's member have both gills and lungs during their adulthood? Lanceolates, lungfishes, shark, skates, rays. Option D, amphibians. 20 answer above lungfishes. Question number 21. A character first observed in emergence and evolution of earliest tetrapod was option A, appearance of feet with digits. Option B, appearance of jaws. Option C, appearance of bony vertebrate. Option D, the ability to swim like fishes. 21 answer haba option number A, appearance of feet with digits. 22, which characteristics separate chordates from all other animals? ठीक अच्छे chordata मानू अलग एनिमल ठारू को कैरेक्टरटा सेपरेट करता है. ऑप्शन ए देछि ट्रू सिलम. ऑप्शन बी होची ब्लास्टोपोर व्हिच बिकम्स एनस. ऑप्शन सी पोस्ट एनाल टेल. ऑप्शन डी बायलैटरल सिमेट्री. 22 रो आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर सी, that is post anal tail. Next 23, corals are most closely related to which group? Option A, freshwater hydrates. Option B, sea anemones. Option C, sponges. Option D, barnacles. 23 answer of option number B, sea anemones. 24, which characteristics is shared by both nidarians and flatworm? Flatworm and nidaria को character both दी जन को पाखरे रही था. ऑप्शन ए dorsoventral flattened bodies. ऑप्शन बी flame bulbs. ऑप्शन सी radial symmetry. ऑप्शन डी a digestive system with a single opening. 24 answer of option number D, that is a digestive system with a single opening. 25, an organism that has only behavioral controls over its body temperature is the option A, green frog. Option B, penguin. Option C, bluefin tuna. Option D, grey wolf. 25 answer of option number A, green frog. 26, hibernation and estivation are both example of dash. Acclimatization, torpor, evaporating cooling, non-severing thermogenesis. 26 answer of option B. 27, extracellular compartmentalization of digestive process is an evolutionary adaptation in many animal phyla. Which of the following phyla is correctly paired with the compartment that first evolved in that phylum? Option A, mollusca, large intestine. Arthropoda, stomach. Option C, annelida, complete alimentary canal. Option D, nidaria, gastrovascular cavity. 27 answer of option number C. Next 28, which of the following are the only vertebrate in which blood flows directly from respiratory organs to body tissue without first returning to the heart? Amphibians, birds, fishes, reptiles. 28 right answer होची option number C, that is fishes. 29, a person with a tidal volume of 450 ml, a vital capacity of 4000 ml and a residual volume of 1000 ml would have a potential total lung capacity of dash. Answer above option number C, that is 5000 ml. Question number 30, which feature of osmoregulation is found in both marine and freshwater bony fish? 30 ro answer above option number D, that is option number D, that is gain of water through food. 31, birds excrete uric acid as their nitrogenous waste because uric acid gas is readily soluble in water. कौन पाई bird माने uric acid excrete करथांती? Option B is metabolically less expensive to synthesize than other excretory products. Option C requires little water for nitrogenous waste disposal, which is conducive to the function of flight in terms of weight. Option D, excretion allows but to live in desert environments. Reason होची option C. Question 32. Which structure increases the reabsorption of Na plus when stimulated by aldosterone? Option A, loop of Henle. Option B, Bowman's capsule. Option C, proximal tubule. Option D, distal tubules. 32 answer above option number D, that is distal tubules. Next 33. The heartworms that can accumulate within the heart of dog and other mammals have a pseudocoelom, an alimentary canal, and an outer covering that is occasionally shed. To which phylum does the earthworm belong? Option A, Platyhelminths. Option B, Nematoda. Option C, Aceola. Option D, Annelida. 33 answer above option number B, Nematoda. Next question 34. How many unique gametes could be produced through independent assortment by an individual with the genotype capital A small a, capital B small b, capital C small c, capital C, capital D small d, and capital E capital E? Answer is 34 option number B, 8. Next 35. When crossing an organism that is homozygous recessive for a single trait with a heterozygote, what is the chance of producing an offspring with the homozygous recessive phenotype? Option A, 0%, option B, 25%, option C, 50%, option D, 75%. 35 answer hela option number C, that is 50%. 36. A particular triplet of bases in the template strand of DNA is 5' AGT 3'. The corresponding codon for the mRNA transcribed is dash. Option A, 3' UCA 5'. Option B, 3' UGA 5'. Option C, 5' TCA 3'. Option D, 3' ACU 5'. 36 answer above option number A, that is 3' UCA 5'. Next 37. Transcription in eukaryotes requires which of the following in addition to RNA polymerase? 37 answer above option number D, several transcription factors. Next 38. The lactose operon is likely to be transcribed when? Option A, there is more glucose in the cell than lactose. Option B, the cyclic AMP levels are low. Option C, there is glucose but no lactose in the cell. Option D, the cyclic AMP and lactose level are both high within the cell. 38 answer above option number D. The cyclic AMP and lactose levels are both high within the cells. 39. Penicillin is an antibiotic that inhibits enzymes from catalyzing the synthesis of peptidoglycan. So which prokaryote should be most vulnerable to inhibition of penicillin? Option A, mycoplasma. Option B, gram positive bacteria. Option C, gram negative bacteria. Option D, endospore bearing bacteria. 39 answer above option number B, gram positive bacteria. 40. Which of the following is an important source of endotoxin in gram negative species? Option A, endospore. Option B, sex pylos. Option C, flagellum. Option D, cell wall. 40 answer above option number D, cell wall. 41. Which of the following statements is not true? Whose statement are true? No. Option A, archaea and bacteria have different membrane lipids. Option B, both archaea and bacteria generally lack membrane enclosed organelles. Option C, the cell wall of archaea lacks peptidoglycan. Option D, only bacteria have histone associated with DNA. 41 answer habo option number D, only bacteria have histone associated with DNA. And next one, 42, a features common to all transmembrane protein is transmembrane protein no feature kaha सहित कमन अटे ऑप्शन ए phosphorylated exterior domain, option B a structure consisting beta acids, option C an amino acid sequence rich in acidic residues, option D an alpha helical region of about 20 to 25 hydrophobic amino acids. 42 answer habo option number D, an alpha helical region of about 20 to 25 hydrophobic amino acid. Next, 43. A protein that has not been synthesized by membrane-free ribosome in cytosol. Option A, most likely synthesized in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, most likely synthesized by ribosome attached with rough endoplasmic reticulum. Option C, enter through the transphase of endoplasmic reticulum. Option C, enter into the Golgi complex from C phase. आ भितर कोटा हब आंसर आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. ठीक अच्छे. जदि को क्वेश्चन आपण मान को भूल लगे ताहले आपण माने राइट आंसर कौन कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके कहबे. ठीक अच्छे. 44, the P21 protein dash is a cyclic dependent kinase inhibitor. ऑप्शन बी ऑप्शन आ गोटे स्टेटमेंट होची रेगुलेट सेल साइकिल प्रोग्रेशन एट G1. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट सिंथेसाइज इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय P53 प्रोटीन. नेक्स्ट इज ए साइक्लिन डिपेंडेंट काइनेज. 44 आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर ए PQ and R. 45, most human cells are diploid with total DNA content of 2C. The DNA content increases to 4C before the onset of mitosis. At anaphase, the DNA content of each cluster will be option A 4C, option B 2C, option C 1C, option D 3C. 45 answer of option number B, that is 2C. Dita carbon. Next, 46. Cell cycle is controlled by. Cell cycle ta control heta hai kemti. Our answer of option C, that is Q and S. Change in the concentration of cyclin and change in activity of CTCase. 47. An antimicrobial agent that can be used as an antifungal drug because of its ability to bind to sterols in the membrane and change membrane fluidity is option A amphotericin B, option B chloramhenicol, option C streptomycin, option D rifampicin. 47 answer of option number A, that is amphotericin B. 48, how are the 8 human globin genes are organized? 48 right answer of option B, that is they are present in two cluster, one on chromosome 11 and other on chromosome 16. Next one, DNA helicase in E. coli moves in the direction opposite of the replication fork. Option B binds with the template on the leading strand. Option C is a hexameric protein with ATPase activity. Option D catalyze formation of dimer. 49 answer of option number C is a hexameric protein with ATPase activity. 50, which of the following event does not occur during pre-tRNA processing? Pre-tRNA processing पूर्व कोई इवेंट है न था. ऑप्शन ए 5' cleavage by RNAsP. ऑप्शन बी addition of poly A site. ऑप्शन सी addition of CCA sequence at 3' ऑप्शन डी chemical modification of SS. Answer is option B. Option B is the right answer. Addition of poly A site. Next, 51. Approximate molecular weight of the product after translation of 390 bases mRNA will be dash. Option A 48, option B 26, option C 39, option D 14. 51 no answer above option number D, that is 14. Next 52, C value paradox suggests us about option A collinearity between genome size complexity of organisms, option B non-collinearity between genome size and complexity of organism, option C dosage compensation, option D number of chromosome. 52 ର answer ହେବ option number B, that is non-collinearity between genome size and complexity of organism. ठीक ଅଛି. Question number 55. Dosage compensation in Drosophila is achieved by dash. Option A hypoactivation of both X chromosome in female, option B hyperactivation of Y chromosome in male, option C hyperactivation of maternal chromosome in female, option D hyperactivation of parental chromosome in male. 55 ର right answer of option number D. Next, in bacteria, which enzyme binds single-stranded DNA, denatures double-stranded DNA and matches the single-stranded DNA with complementary denatured DNA? 56 ର right answer କହିଦେଉଛି A ହେବ right answer. Next 57, a leader sequence in an mRNA of eukaryotes can be found. Option A after the stop codon, option B between transcription start site and translational start site, option C within the first exon, option D in the exon intron boundaries. Answer is option B. Question 58. Which of the following statement is correct about leucine zipper motif? 58 ର answer ହେବ option number B, that is P, Q and R. Correct. 59. What is the chemical mechanism by which cells make polymers from monomers? Option A phosphodiester linkage, option B hydrolysis, option C dehydration reaction, option D the formation of disulfide bridges between monomers. Answer is option C dehydration reaction. 60. Which of the following is true of cellulose? Cellulose उपरे को वाक्य true अटे? Option A it is a polymer composed of sucrose monomers, option B it is a storage polysaccharide for energy in plant cells, option B it is a storage polysaccharide for energy in animal cells, option D it is a major structural component of plant cell wall. 60 ର answer ହେବ option number D. Next 61. Which of the following correctly lists the order in which cellular components will be found in the pellet when homogeneous cells are treated with increasingly rapid spines in a centrifuge? 61 ର right answer ହେବ option number D, nucleus, mitochondria and ribosome. 62. The liver is involved in detoxification of many poisons and drugs. Which of the following structures is primarily involved in the process of therefore abundant in liver cell? Option A rough endoplasmic reticulum, option B smooth endoplasmic reticulum, option C Golgi apparatus, option D transport vesicles. 62 ର answer of option number B, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next 63. Which of the following contains enzymes that transfer hydrogen from various substrate to oxygen? 63 ର answer of option number D, that is peroxisome. 64. Which of the following contains the 9+2 arrangement of microtubule? Microtubule 9+2 arrangement के contain करता है? Option A cilia, option B centriole, option C flagella, option D A and C only. Answer is A and C only. Means cilia and flagella both contain 9+2 arrangement of microtubules. 65. Which of the following factors would tend to increase membrane fluidity? Option A greater proportion of unsaturated phospholipid. Option B a greater proportion of saturated phospholipids. Option C a relatively high protein content in the membrane. Option D a greater proportion of relatively large glycolipids compared with lipids having smaller molecular mass. 65 answer of option number A greater proportion of unsaturated phospholipids. Next 66. Chromatids are separated from each other. Option A. The statement is true for meiosis 1 only. Option B. The statement is true for meiosis 2 only. Option C. The statement is true for mitosis and meiosis 1. Option D. The statement is true for mitosis and meiosis 2. The answer of option number D. Next, which of the following hormone is involved regulating water salt balance in the blood? Cortisone, aldosterone, ADH and ANS. 67 answer of ADH. Sorry, option number C, that is ADH. 68. In proteins, N-linked oligosaccharides are attached to glutamine, arginine, asparagine, lysine. 68 answer of option C, asparagine. 69. Which of the following is a correct statement about NK cell? NK cell upare kota correct statement aate? Option D have right answer, that is they kill target cell in an extracellular fashion. Next 70. Cell mediated immune response are option A enhanced by depletion of complement. Option B suppressed by corticosteroids. Option C enhanced by depletion of T cell. Option D enhanced of depletion of macrophage. Answer is option B. Next 71. The internal pacemaker that sets biological rhythms. Answer is option A, is located in the brain. Next 72. Compound with systemic arterial blood, pulmonary arterial blood has a higher oxygen content, pH, bicarbonate ion concentration, Hb concentration. The answer of option number C, bicarbonate ion concentration. 73. Which moiety of hemoglobin mole clue binds 2,3-BPG at pH 7.00? Answer is amino terminal. 74. Most of the carbon dioxide that is transported in blood is dissolved in plasma, is bound to hemoglobin, is in carbonic acid, is in bicarbonate ion. 74 answer of option D is in bicarbonate ion. 75. The correct sequence for spore migration after its production in testes is option A seminiferous tubule, epididymis, vas deferens, urethra. Correct sequence avitru kota habo? Right answer hochi option A, seminiferous tubule, epididymis, vas deferens and urethra. 76. Chronic gonadotropin hormone synthesized in placenta play an important role in the establishment and maintenance of pregnancy in dash. Cows, humans, goats, rodents. 76 answer of humans. Next 77. The first amino acid in polypeptide chain is first amino acid kota eta janithibe samaste, methionine. 78. Each individual antigenic determinant of the variable region of the antibody is referred to as paratope, epitope, agritope, idiotope. 78 answer of option D, Deoto. 79 sorry, heptanes कौन require carrier molecule to be immunogenic, react with specific antibodies when homologous carriers are employed, interact with specific antibody even if the heptanes are monovalent. Option D, all of these. 79 answer of option D, all of these. Question number 80. The clonal selection theory best account for the production of memory cell, mechanism whereby antigen and antibody unite, the maturation of B cells into plasma cell, the specificity of the immune response. Answer is the specificity of the immune response. Next, 81. CD8 marker is expressed on the surface of dash. Right answer of option number B, cytotoxic T cell. Next one, 82. Which of the following reagent can be used to distinguish between single-stranded DNA and single-stranded RNA in solution? Our answer कह दोची option number B, that is potassium hydroxide. Next, 83. Information is coded in the nervous system by केमिति information टा coded होता है. Option A देची duration of action potential, amplitude of action potential, location of action potential in neuron, frequency of action potential. The answer of option D, the frequency of action potential. 84. Specialized antigen presenting cell are specialized antigen presenting cell कोटा. Option B, B cell, macrophage and dendritic cells. Next, 85. Which of the following is not involved in the quaternary association of hemoglobin molecules? Disulfide bond, hydrogen bond, hydrophobic interaction, electrostatic interaction. Answer is option A, disulfide bond. 86. The immunoglobulin that can be transported across the placenta to confer immunity to the fetus in mammals is 86 answer of IgG. 87. Gonadotropin releasing hormone is the key mediator of the reproductive process in mammals. It is synthesized by option A, gonadotrophs, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, gonads. 87 answer of option B, hypothalamus. Next, 88. Which test is commonly used to identify a reducing sugar? Option A, iodine test, Benedict test, Blurect test, emulsion test. 88 answer of option B. Next, 89. Which of the following amino acid side chain is most frequently used for binding metal ion by protein molecule? Option A, isoleucine. Option B, arginine. Option C, aspartic acid. Option D, tryptophan. 89 answer होची option C, aspartic acid. Question number 90. Which of the following is not true about cortisol? Cortisol अनुसार cortisol उपरे को वाक्यटा true नुह. 90 answer either D or B हे परे. Right answer comment section में comment करिवे कोटा हबो. Next, 91. Number of nucleotide present in FMN is dash 2, 1, 4, 0. 91 answer of 0. Number of nucleotide present in FMN is 0. Next, 92. The conformation of nucleotide in DNA is affected by rotation about how many bonds? 92 answer of option number A, 7. Next, 93. A nerve contains axon of different types. The velocity of action potential propagation will be dash. The highest in an unmyelinated thin axon, The highest in a thick myelinated axon. The highest in a thick myelinated axon. Option D, the same in all axonal types. 93 answer of option number B. Sorry, option number B is the right answer. Next, 94. The set of amino acid residues that can be phosphorylated in proteins is 94 answer of option number A. Next, 95. In addition to adjuvants, generation of antiheptant antibodies will require option A, addition of the heptane into the mice. Option B, injection of mixture of heptane and protein into mice. Option C, injection of heptane covalently coupled with a protein into mice. Option D, injection of a mixture of heptane and lipid into mice. 95 answer of option number C. 96. The carbon and nitrogen atoms in the pyrimidine ring system are derived from. कोथुरु derive होता है आंसर अब aspartate and carbamyl phosphate. ठीक अछि. Next, 97. Which part of the brain is involved in motor control? Motor control ले को पार्ट इन्वॉल्व होता है? Prefrontal cortex. जदि को क्वेश्चन रो आंसर अपन मान को भूल लागुची अपन माने कमेंट सेक्शन ने राइट आंसर कमेंट करि परिबे. 98. Which of the following occurs first during T cell activation? 98 answer of option number C. Increase in cytosolic calcium. 99. What is reabsorbed through loop of Henle? Loop of Henle द्वारा कोटा reabsorb होता है. आंसर होची वाटर. 100. Sequence of taxonomic category is. Taxonomic category रो sequence कोटा मन रखिबे division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. 101. Phonetic classification is based on dash. Phonetic classification का ऊपर बेस करे. Answer of observable characteristics of existing organism. 92. In same geographical region, if a new species involved from a single ancestral species, then species are known as sympatric, allopatric, parapatric speciation. Answer is option A, sympatric. Next, 103. The chief merit of Bentham and Hooker's classification is that the description of taxa are based on actual examination of the specimens. 104. Classical taxonomy is also termed. Classical taxonomy की कौन कहा जाए? Beta taxonomy, systematic, descriptive taxonomy, experimental taxonomy. Answer of option B, systematic. 105. The cytoplasm surrounding the mitochondria found in the middle piece of the sperm is called it have a manchet. ठीक है. 105. Next, 6. Correct sequence of cell stage in spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis रो correct cell stage कोटा. Answer of spermatogonia, spermatocyte, spermatid, spermatozoa. 107. The nervous system, epidermis and hairs and nails are derived of endoderm, mesoderm, ectoderm, chordomesoderm. 107 now option C, ectoderm. 108. Amphibian oocyte remain for years in the diplotin stage of meiotic prophase. Resumption of meiosis is initiated by gonadotrophin hormone, growth hormone, estrogen, progesterone. 108 answer above progesterone. Next, 109. The hormone inhibin selectively inhibits luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, growth hormone. 109 answer of option B, FSH. Next, 110. In human beings, which part shows the maximum increase in weight from birth to adulthood? Answer above option C, muscle. 111. If the nerve supply to a new limb is severed before amputation, how will this affect regeneration? Our answer कही option B have right answer. The blastema will form but will not grow and regeneration will fail. 112. Epimorphosis is regeneration through. Our answer above option C, that is the reinitiation of division in existing cells followed by patterning as occur in amphibians such as newts. 113. Relative to the primitive stick and Henson's node, somite formation in the chick embryo occurs. Option A is the right answer. Anterior to Henson's node, after the primitive stick has retracted past that point. Next, 114. Which of the following is not involved in left-right asymmetry of vertebrates? Answer above option C, epidermal growth factor. Next, 115. In animal, embryonic stem cell differ from adult stem cells in that embryonic stem cell ta adult stem cell tharu kemiti differentiate होता है. Answer of embryonic stem cell are totipotent and adult stem cell are pluripotent. 116. Kyoto Protocol is an international agreement linked to dash. Answer above greenhouse gas emission reduction. 117. Resource partitioning would be most likely to occur between sympatric population of species with similar ecological niche. 118. Species selected for making conservation related decision, typically because protecting these species indirectly protect the many other species that make up the ecological community of its habitat, are called as keystone species, flagship species, umbrella species, indicator species. 118 answer above umbrella species. 119. Which of the following is produced when electrical discharge pass through oxygen in air? Answer is ozone. 120. Which of the following is not a secondary pollutant? After secondary pollutant kota no carbon dioxide. 121. Residence time of methane in the atmosphere is. 121 answer above option C, 4 to 8 days. Major cause of SO2 on global scale is. SO2 टा कौन पे global scale ले present है. Major cause तार कौन? Answer above option D, exhaust fumes of motor vehicle. Next, 123. The yellow color in photochemical smoke is due to presence of answer above nitrogen dioxide. Next, 124. The main pollutant of leather tanneries in the waste water is. Answer above chromium 4. Next, 125. The region with the highest number of endemic species overall is. Answer above Australia. मे बी ब्राजिल हो पारे. ठीक अच्छे जोटा राइट आंसर मते कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करी कहतु. 126. इंड्यूस ब्रीडिंग टेक्निक इज यूज्ड इन. इंड्यूस ब्रीडिंग टेक्निक टा कोठी यूज होता है. आंसर अब कल्चर फिशरी. 127. हु स्टैंड्स फास्ट इन द वर्ल्ड फॉर पर्ल प्रोडक्शन? कोठी फास्ट होता जापान ने. 128. The most valuable kind of pearl comes from marine pearl oyster of Eastern Asia. It is dash. एटा मते कमेंट सेक्शन यार आंसर मते टाइप करियो. ठीक अछि. Next 129. What is the best explanation of green chemistry? Green chemistry ର best explanation କୋଉଟା? The green chemistry is the design of chemical product and process that reduce or eliminate the use and generation of hazardous substance. Next 130. Identify the correct match between tiger reserve and its state. Answer habo eta Sanjay Dubri, Madhya Pradesh. 131. Which endangered animal is the source of the world's finest, lightest, warmest, and most expensive wool? The Satos. 131 answer of option D, Chiru. 132. All of the following act to increase species diversity except option number A hobo right answer, competitive exclusion. Next 33. Restriction endonuclease from two different organisms that recognize the same DNA sequence for cleavage are called. 133 answer above option A, isoscizomore. 134. Which of the following characteristics is undesirable in cloning vector? Answer above option C, vulnerable at several sites to a restriction enzyme. Next 135. The minimum component of an artificial yeast chromosome include all the following except option A, all the histone except H1. 136. Which of the following virus is not used as gene therapy vectors? Answer of option D, polymaviruses. 137. A mixture containing two proteins having similar molecular mass but different oligomeric properties can be separated by kaha द्वारा एटा separated हो परिबो both B and C. 138. The RF value of the substance A and B are 0.34 and 0.68 when chromatographed on paper. What is the ratio of distance moved after 3 years, assuming that neither substance has run off the paper? Answer of option number B. Next 139. Which of the following would be the best method to separate alpha 80 from alerted alpha 80? 139 answer of option number B, ion exchange chromatography. 140. A alpha helical conformation of a globular protein in solution is best determined by which of the following? Answer of option D, circular dichroism. Next 141. The tertiary structure of protein is detected by protein na jo tertiary structure seta kaha द्वारा detect होता है X-ray diffraction ba crystallography. 142. What is the purpose of performing a homology search with a DNA sequence? Answer of option A, to determine if any genes with similar sequences are present in the DNA database. Next 143. A control experiment is one that 134 answer of option B, may include experimental group and control group tested in parallel. 144. Which of the following statements best distinguish hypothesis from theory in science? 144 answer of option C, hypotheses usually are relatively narrow in scope. Theories have broad explanatory power. Next 145. Which of the following is an example of qualitative data? Qualitative data example होची the fish swam in a zigzag motion. Next 146. The fact that plant can be cloned from somatic cell demonstrate that. Answer is option A, differentiated cells retain all the genes of the zygote. Next 147. A student wishes to clone a sequence of DNA of 200 kb. Which vector be appropriate? 147 answer of option C, that is ABAC. Next 148. Which describe the transfer of polypeptide sequence to a membrane to analyze gene expression? Answer of option C. Western blotting. Next 149. So bugs become more active in dry areas and less active in humid areas. This is an example of kinesis example. ठीक अछि. Next 150. Every morning at the same time John went into the den to feed his new tropical fish. After a few weeks he noticed that the fish swam to the top of the tank when he entered the room. This is an example of এটা কাহার এক্সাম্পল? এটা হল ক্লাসিক্যাল কন্ডিশনিং। নেক্সট 151. The integration of tDNA is the plant nuclear genome is most likely due to dash. Option C is the right answer, that is non-homologous and joining. 152. When the genes and the promoter used for modification of a plant using tin formation technology are derived from sexually compatible species, modified plant thus generated is known as a yes. 152 answer above option C, intragenic plant. 153. Which one of the following reporter genes can be used for real-time visualization of living cell or tissue in transgenic plant? Answer is GFP. 154. Which one of the following is a frequently used radio opaque dye? Our answer above option B, barium sulfate. 155. Circadian rhythm controlled by circadian rhythm टा कहा द्वारा कंट्रोल होता है? suprachiasmatic nucleus. Next 156. N-terminal amino acids are usually determined by Sanger's method using dash. Answer number 2 for dinitrobenzene. 157. A technique for defining gene arrangement is very long stretch of DNA is dash. Our answer number option C, Nick translation. Next 158. The best way to demonstrate whether nuclear DNA is being replicated in a cell is by answer is autoradiography. 159. Which microbe has been used against insect plant pathogen? 159 answer above option C, Bacillus thuringiensis. Next 160. Scientists developed a set of guidelines to address the safety of DNA technology. Which of the following is one of the adopted safety measures? Answer above option number A. Microorganisms used in recombinant DNA experiment are genetically crippled to ensure that they cannot survive outside of the laboratory. 161. What is the bioinformatics? Bioinformatics कहले कौन बोझो? Answer is option B, a method that uses very large national and international database to access and work with sequence information. Next 162. Antiviral drugs that have become useful are usually associated with which of the following properties? Answer of option B, interference with the viral reproduction. 163. An optical density 1 means अर्थ होची 90% of the incident light is absorbed. Next 164. Radioactive iodine can be incorporated into serine 309, tyrosine, mucin. 164 answer of option C, that is tyrosine. Next 167. Transcription initiation site can be determined by footprinting, northern blotting, primer extension, nick translation. 165 ର right answer of option number A, that is footprinting. ठीक अच्छे, तो यहाँ हूँ all the questions. आपण मैंने जदि टेस्ट सीरीज नाकू चाहूँगी एसएसबी लेक्चरर जूलॉजी ताहले आमर आप टी को इंस्टॉल करंतु आ टेस्ट सीरीज नहीं जातु डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक अच्छी निहाती भाव आप को इंस्टॉल करी टेस्ट सीरीज नियंतु ठीक अच्छे. तो जदि कौन सी क्वेश्चन आंसर आपण मानक भूल लगुच कमेंट सेक्शन में राइट आंसर कोटा कमेंट करंतु. ठीक अच्छे. वीडियो भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करंतु, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ.